Did you know? In Japan, there's a woman who asks just one question. Am I beautiful? They call her Kuchisake Onna. She wears a beige trench coat and a white surgical mask. If you see her on an empty street, don't answer. She'll step closer and remove her mask. Her mouth slit from ear to ear. She'll ask again, do you still think I'm beautiful? If you say no, she'll cut you down. If you say yes, she'll make you just like her. Some say the only way to survive is to confuse her. They say she still roams the streets at night, waiting for someone to answer. So if a woman asks you, am I beautiful? Just